Hey guys, it's Mr. Lindy here, and I wanted to go over multiplying fractions by fractions. So what's really cool about this one is to start off with, you're going to see in the next problem. The best thing is a lot of people think that multiplying fractions is going to be hard, and they think it's going to be harder than adding or subtracting fractions, and I just disagree, especially if you know your facts. You'll see in this next problem, my first example I have 1/2 by 1/3. The difference on this one is you are not going to have to find a common denominator. So no common denominators. So we don't have any. We can just do this. It's all you have to do with these ones. You just multiply straight across. Multiply straight across. Numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. So 1/2 of 1/3 is 1/6. That's your answer. Okay, try the next one. We have 3/5 times 2/7. Real simple. Just have to multiply once again, straight across, straight across. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 7 is 35. Okay? It's done. That one cannot be reduced. If you'd ever have to reduce or you come up across a improper fraction, yes, you're going to have to fix that. Next, I'm going to work on some tricks. Some of the tricks of the trade. This one's neat is if you look at these, you notice that the multiplication arrow almost makes arrows pointing to each number. As you look at this 5 over here and look at this 15 down here. Do they have a number that goes into them evenly? It is 5. 5 goes into 15 3 times, so you can divide that by 5 as long as you divide this one by 5 as well. 5 goes into 5 1 time. Next, 6 and 12. I know that 6 goes into 12 2 times, and I know 6 goes into 6 1 time. So now we have a new problem is 1 over 1 times 2 over 3, and you multiply straight across, and you get 2/3 as your answer. And instead of getting, if you were to take the normal problem of 5, 6 times 12/15 and multiply straight across, you would have 60 and you would have 90. And then you would have to reduce. And I know I can get rid of zeros, so it'd be 6/9, and I'd have to divide by 3 and divide by 3, and I would get 2. So same answer, a little less work for me. I'd rather do it in the beginning of the problem instead of at the end. Okay, let's take a look at our last one right here. You can see, once again, they kind of point to each other and say, hey, can I do anything with these numbers with each other? Let's look at the 11 up here, 33 down here. 11 goes into 33 3 times. 11 goes into 11 1 time. 12 goes into 12 1 time. 12 goes into 24 2 times. Then you multiply straight across. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. And look, it's already reduced. Now this one really shows the big time changes that would happen, because if not, you were going to have to do 24 times 11. You're going to have 264 on top. And then you're going to have to do 33 times 12 for the denominators. $396. And then you would have had to look at that 264 over 396 and reduce, which would have ultimately came down and turned into 2/3. So I know my method, I would rather go and see if I can reduce at the start than reduce at the finish. So there's multiplying fractions by fractions. We're going to continually do a whole bunch more of these in class, but here's just a little bit of examples, seeing if you can try, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Have a good one. Oh, going to start out some shout-outs to YouTube channels pretty soon, so get them to me, let me know, and I'll start hollering you out. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.